Changing your pool light to LED is one of those jobs that seems intimidating right up until you actually do it yourself. Most people assume you need a pool guy, a wetsuit, and maybe a minor in electrical engineering, but it's simpler than you think. Here's the thing about traditional pool lights. They burn out faster and guzzle electricity at an embarrassing 300 watts a pop. LED replacements slice that power use by 80%, and you might not have to touch them again for 10 years. That's a value play if I've ever seen one. The tools are so basic it almost feels like cheating. You just need a Phillips head screwdriver, a flathead, maybe some needle nose pliers, and a pool light gasket replacement, assuming your old one has seen better days. Plus a trusty pool LED bulb, specified for underwater use. Turn off the breaker to your pool light at the panel. I don't mean just stick a sign on it. I'm talking full power off, then go try the switch to make sure nothing fires up. Safety is everything, and the last thing you want is a shocking new hobby. Most pool light fixtures have a single screw at the top of the bezel, right above the waterline. You'll need to grab that with your Phillips head. Try not to drop it in the pool unless you like deep-sea scavenger hunts. Here's a pro tip. Once the screw is out, you can usually wiggle, pry, or pull the entire fixture up onto the pool deck. The cord is longer than most people expect, maybe 3 to 6 feet tucked behind the niche. Once you've got the fixture on solid ground, unscrew and open the front. Inside, it's basically a weatherproof sandwich. If your gasket is crunchy or cracked, replace it, or you will absolutely regret it with the first heavy rain. Remove the old bulb carefully. Most are just a basic screw-in job. If it's stuck, give it a gentle back and forth. Don't muscle it or you'll break the glass, and then you have a bigger mess than when you started. LED pool bulbs come in single colors or disco mode fancy models. The main thing you want is the right size and wattage. Check your fixture's manual or the old bulb for a part number. Mismatched bulbs can leak, flicker, or just not fit. Screw in the new LED, making sure not to touch the glass with your fingers. Grease can cause hot spots. Reassemble everything in reverse order. Gasket first, then clamp down the front face as tightly as you can. Push the whole light fixture back into the niche, winding the cord in gently. That excess cord lets you do all this without draining your pool, which is one of the smarter bits of design in the pool world. Screw the front back to the wall, double-check the seal, and flip the breaker back on. If the LED roars to life, you're done. If not, well, welcome to the detective work that is pool ownership. Honestly, this upgrade is a triple win. Dazzling colors, big electric bill savings, and far less hassle for the next decade. Don't overthink it. LED is definitely the way forward for anyone with a pool, Portland rain or otherwise.